In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move files from Google Drive to iCloud with ease. Whether you're reorganizing your digital workspace or simply need to switch storage services, this guide will walk you through every step to ensure a smooth transition. First things first, in order to transfer your files efficiently, you need to have both the Google Drive and Files apps installed on your device. If they are not already installed, head to your device's App Store and download them. The Google Drive app will allow you to access your files, while the Files app will help manage and move them. Once you have these apps ready, your next step is to link Google Drive within the Files app. Begin by opening the Files app. You'll need to ensure that Google Drive is visible within it. To do this, look for the three-dot icon in the top right corner and tap on it. This will reveal a menu where you'll select Edit Sidebar. A list of available storage options will appear, including Google Drive. Simply toggle Google Drive on so it appears in the Files app sidebar. This integration makes transferring files seamless and efficient. Now that Google Drive is accessible from the Files app, you're ready to move your files to iCloud. Begin this process by tapping on Google Drive in the sidebar of the Files app. This will display all the files you have stored in Google Drive. Locate the files you wish to transfer. Once you find a file you want to move, perform a long press on the file icon. A menu will pop up where you will select the Move option. This step is crucial for initiating the transfer of your files to iCloud Drive. After you press Move, you'll see options for where to relocate the selected file. Select iCloud Drive from the list of destinations. At this point, you can either choose an existing folder or create a new one to organize your files as they move to iCloud. Finally, confirm this action by tapping Move again. This prompt will execute the transfer and your files will migrate from Google Drive to the iCloud Drive you designated. Remember, the time it takes to move the files can depend on the size and number of files you're transferring, as well as your internet connection speed. It's all about patience and making sure your devices remain connected to the internet during the process. There you have it. With these straightforward steps, your files should now be resting safely in iCloud. Feel free to explore further organization within your iCloud Drive to maintain optimal efficiency and keep your data easily accessible. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made your digital transition as smooth as possible.